How to copy and paste on your iPad. So if you want to copy and paste something on a website or something on your iPad like your notes, then I'm going to show you how to go and copy and paste. Now, first thing you need to do is open up the document or the website that you want to copy and paste. I'll just be using a website as an example. Now, once you have your document open, you need to use your finger to hold down on the start of the text that you want to copy, and you'll see this blue highlighted section appear. Now, you can adjust the section that you want to copy just by moving either the left or the right line like this. Now, once you have your area that you want to copy selected, you can then press the copy button and it's going to copy everything that you have selected. So now what we can do is we can go and paste this. So let's go and open up the notes on your iPad, and I'm just going to create a new note like this. You can then hold your finger down somewhere in the blank space. You'll see the toolbar appear and you can go and click on paste. And as you can see, that will paste everything that we just copied.